What's up, guys? So today let's test an executor called Velocity. So let's open up the folder. Open up folder. Velocity. Oh, Velocity Fixer. Later. Velocity. Yes. This is bullshit. Why won't it open? Why is it taking so long to fucking open? Oh, there it is. Goodbye. So yeah, let's just inject. Oh, 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 oh. Velocity is ready. Let's go. Okay. Friend, come. Oh my god, let's go. So let's get UNC test script. So I got the using UNC So I got the UNC test script ready. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. UNC test. Now execute. Velocity execute. 99%. Oh, what the Sigma, my good man. What the Sigma guy. What the Skibbity Sigma cute. Skibbity Sigma cute. 99% is basically just 100% because 100% UNC is not possible anymore in Roblox because of the fucking Hyperion. If an executor gets 100 UNC, that means, and if an executor gets 100 UNC back then, it would instantly just you would instantly get banned for exploiting. But now whenever you use an executor or some shit or exploiting, abusing exploits, you would instantly get a warning or get banned. Whenever you use executors like visual, like velocity, what I'm using, but make sure to use an alt account. There's gonna be themes that's gonna come out soon. Come out soon. Egg, auto execute, always on top. Okay. So yeah, this executor is very powerful since it's the only executor with like 99 UNC with its own API. It's one of the best executors with 99 UNC, but I'm pretty sure Vanity API will make a comeback, and I'll make an API for Vanity. I will make a base API for Vanity. That's it. Bye bye.